and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed teachers, proud parents, and my fellow graduates. A warm and enthusiastic welcome to each and every one of you as we gather here today to celebrate a momentous occasion, our graduation. It is with great pride and excitement that I stand before you as a representative of the graduating class ready to embark on the next chapter of our lives. Today is a day filled with millions of emotions as we reflect upon the years we have spent in this esteemed institution. We are filled with gratitude for the opportunities and knowledge bestowed upon us. Our teachers have tirelessly imparted wisdom and guide us, have played an invaluable role to our academic and personal growth. We extend our deepest appreciation to you for igniting the flame of curiosity within us and nurturing our thirst for knowledge. To our parents and families, thank you for unwavering support and love. Your belief in our abilities has been an unwavering source of strength throughout this journey. Your sacrifices and dedication have shaped us into individuals we are now. Today, we did not only celebrate our achievements, but also for your unwavering commitment to our education. As we stand on the threshold of the new chapter, we cannot forget the friendship we forged along the way. Our classmates have become our second family, and together we have shared countless memories, laughter, and even a few tears. These bonds have made us our educational experience richer and have taught us the value of cooperation, empathy, and camaraderie. Graduation is not only a time to celebrate our accomplishments, but also a time to reflect the challenges we have overcome. We have faced adversity, embraced perseverance, and emerged stronger than ever. These experiences have taught us resilience and instilled in us the belief that no obstacle is insurmountable. As we prepare to leave this familiar halls of our educational institution, let's remember that education does not end here. It is a lifelong journey, and knowledge and the value we gain will guide us into the pursuit of our dreams. Let's embrace the challenges ahead with courage, determination, and optimism. As a part of the Mass Elementary School Batch 2024 and 2025 graduates, let us fly like eagles as God bless us and protect us. The only person who can motivate us the most is ourselves, so let us try to fulfill our goals with ambition. I would like to extend a sincere thank you and a warm welcome to everyone who is here to witness this beautiful occasion. All we have is a blessed day and a good morning.
Thank you very much, Elena, for that inspiring message.